Hi guys, it's Dylan over at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Yamaha MT-09. This one is a 2014 bike on a 14 plate, done 10,963 miles from new. Got some nice textures on the bike. I used to own one of these myself and I can vouch for what a fantastic bike they are. This one finished off, it's actually a really deep purple if you come and have a look at the tank, with a nice sort of white stripe going down there, so it looks lovely. You get a full digital display on these bikes as well. Different rider modes, fuel gauge, gear indicator. This one's also got the heated grips too. You've also got the R&G protection on the side of the engine and an awesome sounding GPR exhaust, which I'll start up for you now. So they do sound absolutely fantastic, as you can just tell. So what a great piece of kit. If you do fancy it, as always, please do get in touch or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we've put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.